Okay, so for the past few weeks I've been filming skaters with my mini quad at this local tiny skate park. It was pretty fun. I was able to practice my fine control, so it was pretty good. Also, last night I was able to join in on this really cool skateboarding expedition, and we were just cruising around the town in the middle of the night, so that was also pretty nice. Anyways, how is this relevant to today's video? So today I'm going to be taking my FPV expedition 1 mile further to this skate park up north. It's just 1 mile further than that lake that I went to last time. So yeah, I thought this would be a nice idea because I've been having a lot of fun with skaters, and I've gotten pretty good at tight spaces. So yeah, there we go. Hey, just hanging out with my friends Ayush and Anit here. So, and yeah, they came along to go fly too. So they called an Uber, so I'm not going to be skateboarding this time, unfortunately, unlike last video, because we got an Uber. Yeah. So, you know. Okay. Heading over to the skate park. Just got to the actual park itself. There's a nice lake there. Some nice scenery. There's a bit of people here today, but I could find a nice clearing. Don't worry. Okay, I just did 2 rounds of focus flying on skaters, but I'm gonna go do 1 round of freestyle because there's a lot of pretty cool structures here, so let's see what I can do. I got my micro set up here, and my friend Anit's gonna go get his first maiden flight. I mean, his first flight with this. So yeah, this is a quad that I don't really care about very much. So here we go then. Okay, let's see how he does. Okay,
Hey guys.
so we're back. Just at a fun flying session.
Yeah.
And this guy nearly destroyed my quad.
Yeah,
He freaking ripped it, and in both methods, but yeah.
Yeah, more simulator time this
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
So
Cool. Great day, great flying. See you guys.
plenty of crashing.
Yeah.
Let's go.